been getting a ton of videos on how to put together a journal or planner, spiral notebook, whichever you want to call it. And I'm going to get right to it. So this is an example of one of the planners that I created. I created this in Canva, which you can also create it in Photoshop. Here's the spiral, which is like a 4x1, I believe it is. And as you can see, it is bound very well. I put it together, and it's basically a planner that I use on a daily. So the planner that I'm going to be putting together today is basically going to be a learning journal for my baby girl, and it's going to be customized to her needs. All right, so some of the important things that you want to have and make sure that you have is a printer, or you can get your stuff printed, you know, printed out somewhere. Okay, thank you for bringing this to me. So this is going to be our cover page, and I use HP paper, and it's about 28 pounds, something around that nature. But the laminator that I use is going to be 10 mil. I got my laminator off of Amazon, and I'll link that below.
You got more?
These are my laminating pouches. I do laminate the front and the back. Yes, boo. Okay. You're also going to need some of your spirals, which is from my binding. They do have like all type of colors. I mean, all colors you can even think of. Here's a clear one. Let me see. Let's see. We have other colors also. So let me grab a different one. I have some with like all type of colors. Okay, so here's blue, yellow, everything. I could use yellow with this one because it's a little bigger. I could use yellow or black. It's all up to what you want to go with.
I want to help you too.
Thank you, boo. Let's see what blue looks like.
What's yellow?
Here's the blue right here. It's just all up to what you want to go with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a laminator machine so that we can get that started. And I try to put it as close to this edge as I can so that I don't have to cut that side. Like right here. I don't have to cut this side, but I will cut like these extra edges off once it's laminated. And the back is still printed right now. I'm going to go ahead and run this one through the laminator.
A 10 right. A 10 T. And 10 yellow.
Back, and I just made it pretty simple. It's basically a learning book. Excuse me, boo. You're walking dead in front of the camera. Okay.
I'm trying to get the black.
So we're going to do the opposite side this time because you have to remember when we laminate, this is our back page. So, I mean, when we punch the holes, it's going to be on this side.
So big.
Thank you, boo, for your assistance.
Yeah. I'm so smart and intelligent.
You are intelligent. Okay. So that's going through now.
We're not holding. I'm not going to hold it.
Okay, you can hold it.
Okay.
Thank you. I'm going to pick this up. Don't mind my office. So this is the laminator that I have from Amazon, and it is the Fellows Jupiter 125. It's actually pretty good. This is the printer that I printed on. I'm working on a few things, so don't mind the mess. Now we're going to get into this Alpha Coil E. This is the, I guess you'll say, hole puncher that I use to put the holes inside of the...
I love unicorns.
Yes, boo.
It's my shirt.
Yes. Yeah, so this is the machine that we're going to need, and that will also be linked below. And we're just basically putting this together to see. As you can see right here, this is a little bump button that you can, you know, insert the coils. But I like to hand insert them. It goes really fast either way. And she just let it go. See, you don't have it lined up. Hopefully it still goes straight.
Mama.
Thank you, boo.
I want more.
I don't think it's gonna go in straight. I probably should have reversed that.
I want more, Mama.
Give me 1 second, boo. Hopefully that goes in straight.
Yeah.
All right, and this is just more stuff my desk. Again, don't mind my office because we have a lot of stuff going on right over here.
See my unicorn shirt? Okay, I love it.
Okay.
It's downstairs somewhere, kid. Mommy, I got one.
All right, just waiting on that. So I'm gonna take this one with my cutter.
That cutter?
This piece here, I have two different ones, but one of them doesn't really cut pretty straight, and it's actually better than this one, but it doesn't cut that straight. So I stopped using it for now until I figure out how to use it. Okay.
I need sleep time.
So you can just basically cut that piece off.
It's done too. Mommy, it's done too. Mommy, it's done too, Mama. Okay, mine, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
No, mine.
I need it. Thank you too.
The funny, the first light.
It's broke a little bit, so I gotta do this.
My mom will help you to shape. No, mine broke
Excuse
it.
me.
No,
Excuse me.
mine.
Excuse me. Hold on, let me see. Let me look at it. Let me see.
Why you just push me like that?
Alright, so this back piece kinda didn't really go on well because she put it in a laminator wrong, but it's okay. It'll still work out well. You could cut the bottom off. And these scissors are pretty good. They glide very well. And just cut the bottom off. And you can do the tops if you want. It's up to you. Now this thing here is also really good. I got this from Amazon also, and basically it can crimp your edges, so you don't have those. Make it rounded, not crimp, round your edges.
Mommy,
So you
why
don't
you
have that
so
ugly
mean?
look. Really, boo?
Yes, why you be so mean?
Because I have to fix this. You telling YouTube that I'm being mean to you? I'm not even being mean to you.
Because you let me have the unicorn to push down.
I'm gonna give it to you in 1 second. I didn't want you to hurt yourself.
I don't want to send it to you. Just because
All right, so our front and back
my
page
turn.
is complete.
It's my turn.
And it's just Zora's Magical Learning Book. Now here are our inside pages right here.
And I want to pick blue, Mom. I want to pick blue.
You want to put blue on your book?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please stop pulling it now.
Yes,
So here are our
now.
inside pages. This is just something I'm printing for her. And she's going to work on this.
You bought me the for me
Yes.
on the store.
Yes. Okay. So
This is also
we're
my
going to take
room.
these pieces here.
I
And I'm
mean,
just going to
this
move
up
this
on my
over here so
room.
that y'all could see me a little bit.
And pick black and blue. And the black and mix together. And mix together. And then the mix together.
So this is the machine here.
Let's mix together.
And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this here,
Mix
sit it in here. And it's already leveled to A4, which is letter size paper. And I have this pulled out. I have 4 of them pulled out so that I could get the correct amount of holes that I need. And you just basically push it down. And it'll give you your holes that you need to bind. And that's perfect. Now this one, make sure you do it correctly because, excuse me. Hold on. I said wait. Don't do that. Now you can push it. Thank you.
I did
And
it.
it's perfect.
Mama. I did it.
Yes, it's perfect.
Yeah,
All right. I'm sorry, I'm going to put this down just 1 second.
I'm trying
And do
to
the same
do
for
this.
the papers.
I'm trying to do this.
1 second, folks.
Okay. Mommy, I love flowers. Okay, time to this. Mommy, I want to have to push this.
Okay, go ahead.
I did it.
And our circles are coming out perfect. Go ahead.
Time to next one.
Good. All right. Go ahead. Okay, he still did it good.
I did it. The last one.
Okay, go ahead. All right, and that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Read it. Put it on the flag.
Let's see how we can put it together.
Yeah, and put it black next. T.
Where's our unicorn papers? Okay, here. All right. As you can see, all of our holes are punched out and they are aligned perfectly. So we're gonna line the front up. And we're gonna put our book on the back. Oh no.
Of my paper drawing it. Here, Mom. It's stuff for my friends.
All right, so which one you wanna go with? The black or let's do, you wanna do yellow?
No.
Which one?
This mix on the key.
Oh, you want blue?
Yeah.
Okay, you hold the yellow.
Okay.
Okay, so what I do is I turn this around this way. I make sure that everything is lined up.
And black.
Make sure everything
And
is lined
this
up.
one green.
And I take the end and
And
put this
it's
piece
green,
through.
Mama. It's letter green.
And I just make sure that first one is all the way
And
through.
it's letter green.
And as you can see, it's through. And like I said, on that machine, it does pull it for you. But I just like doing it like this. It's so easy. It's going straight in.
Mommy.
Yes.
It's this one green.
No, that's actually yellow. So you could just pull it through.
It's green.
And as you can see, there's different sizes on these
This
coils.
is black.
This is like, this one could
And
take
that
more
one
pages
that's
if I
on
was
my
to put more
backpack
pages in this one.
khaki.
Back what?
On this hat backpack,
Yeah.
this like my hair, like your hair, and Daddy's hair, and every
Okay.
side.
All right, so as you can see, we're at the top. What you're gonna need to do is, and that's perfectly coiled.
And say.
1 second, boo. So what we're gonna do is cut this piece here. These come with the machine as well. It's basically suppliers. You can get these on Amazon as well. Amazon be able to turn. And you just cut it.
Just cut it like that.
Make sure you don't cut it too short.
And don't cut on your finger.
Yeah, don't cut your finger. And then you just twist it back to make sure that it
I mean, I want to help
it folds under. Thank you, boo. Let me see. So basically, you take this piece and you
And take that piece
kind of
off
curve it
the
in
floor.
up there so that your pages won't come loose. And then you do the same thing with the bottom.
And first green, Mama. There's yellow.
Snap.
Snap.
I need to get a little bit more of that off of there.
Yeah, let's get that off
And then you
there.
curve it up. This piece actually helps you curve it. And it's under there. Now we have Zora's Magical Learning.
And then use yellow.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
How doing
B.
yellow? That yellow, Mama.
Are you going to learn some new
How
stuff? Boo?
that yellow? How that yellow?
And it's just letter tracing and different
I
things
mean,
like
how
that.
that yellow?
Are you ready for your new learning book?
Yeah. That yellow, Mama.
Thank you for watching. So if you have any questions, I'm sorry about all the movement.
That
My
yellow,
daughter
Mama.
actually cracked my
That
screen,
yellow.
so I had to
That
use the back
yellow,
camera.
Mama.
So please bear with me, guys.
Mama.
But, if you don't have any
Mama.
other questions, please feel free
Mama.
to
Mama.
comment below, like, subscribe.
Mama.